Just got that second bill, the physician's bill. Went to the emergency room about 2 months ago, and here we go. Here's that physician's bill. I know we've had some problems in the past with it, and I wanted you to know that we've made changes and we took more control. So now that if you have any questions about your physician's bill, you can call my patient advocate. They're available and ready to take any calls and concerns that you may have with that second bill that's received when you come to the emergency room. Kim is great. She can help you and educate you through the process to make it transparent and clear in your mind what that bill means based on the services provided.
To help the patients out with their billing process, the patient advocate will give you a call about a week or two following your visit, and I'm going to go over the billing process with you and make sure that if you have any questions at all, that I go over those with you and and increase the customer service that you have with our facility, and just make sure you have quality care all around them. An explanation of benefits is something your insurance company is going to send you in the mail or by email, and it's a statement from your insurance company letting you know they received a claim from our facility, and it will go over a lot of times what was covered and what wasn't covered, and I like to go over that with you and make sure it's fully understood on your side. If I'm calling you and you are having trouble paying your statement, I'm able to set you up on a payment plan, and we'll take whatever it is that you can pay monthly, and and get everything resolved as easy for you as we can. And for peace of mind, just be sure to give me a call. I'm your patient advocate, and I'm here if you need me. So thanks again.